Lotsha nomthakazo omuhle siyalamukela njalo kuzindaba zethu zomsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio. Namhla kungolwesibili zili-15 kuNtulikazi ngomnyaka ka-2025. Olethulela indaba uMkhethiwe Chuma. Okwesihamba phambili namhlanje, uDokotela ubaba uMafasibanda usesole kakhulu indlela okuqhutshwa ngayo inkulumiswano yeGugurawundi le eyenziwa isibekelwe. Umhlonitshwa uKhuka usethika kube le ndlela ezintsha eziphakemeyo ezokwenqabela ukutshontshwa kwentambo zikagetsi. uMavayire useqale umkhankaso wokunikeza ngezicathulo. Nanzi indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. Ukulalelwa kwesehlakalo zeGugurawundi okuqhutshwa zinduna esabelweni seMathepeleland sokube lokusolwa kakhulu ngenxa yokusibekelwa kokuqhutshwa kwalezi zinto, kanti njalo lokuvimbela intathelizindaba ukuba zibe lingxenye yalolu hlelo. Abanye abaphathekayo ngesikhathi seGugurawundi ngokuhlukuluzwa esabelweni seMidlands sebesole kakhulu isinqumo sikahulumende sokungabafinyeleli esabelweni sabo ukuze bezwe ezabo izikhalazo. Siye saxoxisana lesiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo ubaba uFelix Mafasibanda ongomunye walabo abahlukunyezwayo iGugurawundi, wasipha eyakhe imbono ngalolu daba oluqhubekayo. Ake sizweni ubaba uSibanda ekhuluma.
Kuyasimangalisa impela ukuthi iGugurawundi outreach le abayenzayo siceza iMidlands enkabazwe abafuni ukuthi kuyehlolwa abantu bazikhulumele. Kungani? Mina engikhulumayo uMagalela ngingomunye wahlukumezwayo njalo ngabulawela umntanami wayengumzipra first born uKenan Magalela Mafasibanda. Bafika bamthathe ebusuku esilobela la namhla lokho asizake sizwe ngaye. Kulabantu abaningi esilobela abacatshiswayo obaleni labochuma la namhla lokho abaziwa ukuthi balele ngaphi. Umntanami bambamba as a former zipra, bahamba la ezinkambeni eziningi, bahamba bayambulala esilobela police camp. Lokho kuliqiniso ngoba izihlobo zambona ikhona la namhla lokhu sithe sesimdinga bathi abamazi, sasesibona ngamathambo nje egcinwe in old mines. Sithi thina kanti izinduna zikaMdabuko zenzani, zidinga imali bezifuna inyembezi ngabantu. Akusoze kuncede lutho ukuthi sitha yiso sesithungamela ukuthi abantu bakhomisana umlotha. Akusoze kwenze. Thina abanye sidabukileyo safelwayo sithi kuyize izinduna zikaMthwakazi kaziyekele ngoba zivusa amanxeba, azisoze zipholisa amanxeba abantu ababulawa ngabantu abalokhu esibaziyo abadlisitshwala. eMidlands eKhwekhwe kwafa izihlobo zami ezingu-5 zibulawa ngamajaha wonala abusayo namhlanje. Yikho-ke lokhu sigqoke ezimnyama bona besithi bafuna ukukhumisa umlotha, hatshi ikugqibela, bafuna ukugqibela ubufakazi obukhona. Kungenani sithi okungapheliyo kuyahlola, zobo samanyosi kuzaze kubavelele ngoba okungapheliyo vele bathi kuyahlola. Into yeGugurawundi ayisoze uphonge uthanyelelwa nje ngaphansi kwekhaphethi, izafuna ukuthi iphathwe njengelokho kwenzeka eRwanda leBurundi. Ngitsho leSouth Africa bazama, kodwa lapha ngamandlwane nje, singathi ngamatope, basiphekela amatope ngenxa yokuthi abalandaba legazi likaMthwakazi elaphelayo. Sithi bonke ababulawa eGugurawundi abalale ngokuthula. Ngiyabonga.
Omela eMkhoba South edalele ephalamende umhlonitshwa uJohn Khuka usethe uhulumende akasebenzise amaqhinga amasha okusebenzisa intambo zikagesi lezi ezivumelana lentambo ze-aluminium ukudlulisa ugesi. Umhlonitshwa uKhuka uye watshela umsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio ukuba intambo zekhopha zibiza amasela kanti njalo besekuletha ukudubeka phakathi komphakathi ngenxa yokuswelakala kwegesi nxa sekutshontshwe intambo. Ake sizweni umhlonitshwa uKhuka ekhuluma.
Aiwa tinotenda Citizens Movement Radio nekutipa mukana wekuenda pamhepo tichiti makadi vateereri kumativi mana enyika kwamuri ikoko kungava kunze kwenyika tinongokukwazisai. Rikutaura zita ndiJohn Khuka, Member of Parliament for Mkhoba South constituency munzvimbo yeGweru, Midlands Province. Wongu ichokwadi inhaurwa dzanga dziri mudare reparamende tiri kuudzeya nyaya dzadai kunetsa sekuziva kwamunoita kuti munyika mhando dzetambo dzatingati waya dzanga dziri kushandiswa kufambisa moto anova magetsi yanga iri kopa. Zvino kopa iyi zvazvarura nekuti yanga iri kukwezva mbavha kwakuri kubirwa tambo zuva nezuva. Izvo zvanga zvakukonzera kuti vagari dzimwe dzenguva vasave nemagetsi nenyaya yekuti panenge pasina tambo dzinofambisa moto. Saka kwakuri kubvunza kuna minista anoona nezvemhando dzemoto munyika kuti urongwa hwe hwava papi hwekuti kwese munyika tive netambo dzisingakwezvi mbavha. Izvo zvinoita kuti tisarasikirwe nekuwana magetsi munguva yatinenge takatarisira magetsi. Saka ndo nhau yanga iri mudariro, nekuti hapana chinhu chinorwadza kuti pamune makatarisira kuti muchange muchiwana magetsi munomashaya nekuda kuti tambo inenge yabiwa. Magetsi ndo ari kuita kuti vanoita mubato wemaoko vakwanise kurarama. Magetsi ndo ari kuita kuti kunyange vari muzvikoro vakwanise kuita mabasa avo anoda moto. Uyezve dambudziko rarichiitika nderekuti panenge pabiwa waya idzodzidzi pari kutorwa nguva kuti dziziva dzichidzorerwa. Zvinova izvo zvinenge zvichidzorera mamwe mabasa kumasure. Saka takataiwa regai tivhunze mubvunzo uyu kuitira kuti zvinge zvichigadziriswa. Saka tinovimba kuti zvatakasvitsa chichemo ichi zvichange zvichigadziriswa. Zvimwezvo tine nhau dzematransformers uko kuri kubiwa maoiri, ndo kune rimwe dambudziko guru ratiri kuona kuti taita dambudziko. Ende uchazoona kuti izvozvo zvinokonzeresa kuti chipoka chidiki chinenge chiri munharaunda chinenge chinzi hachina magetsi nechikonzero chekuti transformer inenge yakabiwa yemaoiri. Saka tichida kunzwa kuti hurumende ine urongwa hupi hwekuchengetedza property yatinoti ndeyezesa iyoyi kuti inge ichiva yakachengetedzeka. Tisarambe tingoti oiri yabiwa, oiri yabiwe. Uyezve tinenge tasati ngapave nemutongo wakati simbei unoita kuti idzo dzimbavha idzi dzitye kuswedera pakubata property yatinenge tichiti ndeyezesa, dzakafanana netambo idzodzi nemaoil transformers aya. Saka aiwa ndo nhauro yatati inayo. Tinotenda maita basa.
Isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo kanti njalo wayekhankasela ukuba lilunga ledale lephalamende esabelweni seMasvingo Central ngokhetho lomnyaka ka-2023 uMoses Mavaire usesungule njalo omunye umkhankaso wokusiza abafundi abangenelisiyo esabelweni sakhe. uMavaire uye watshela umsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio ukuba usungule umkhankaso lo awubize ngokuthi nikela ngesicathulo ukuze asize inteni labantwana abehlulekayo ukuya ezikolweni kanye lalabo abahamba bengagqokanga izicathulo. Ake sizweni umhlonitshwa uMavaire ekhuluma lomsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio.
Yeah, so during our Donate a Book campaign, we realized that there were children who did not have shoes, and they were walking about 10 to 20 kilometers without shoes, barefooted. So we thought it was a good initiative that we donate towards these vulnerable children in the rural areas. So yeah, that's what we've been doing, and that's what we're trying to do. Our target is that we intend to mobilize about 200 pairs of school shoes for starters. We hope that the campaign will go on and maybe increase to about 500 shoes in the next phase.
Sokulokukhathazeka ngodaba labantwana abazithwala bebancane osokuveze ukuba kulenani labantwana abangama220 abadlwengulwayo bengaphansi kweminyaka engama-18 okubashiya bezithwele esabelweni saseMatabeleland North kuphela ngomnyaka ka-2023. Omela umama etalele ephalamende esabelweni seMashonaland West umhlonishwa uMutha Mrombezi uthi lokhu kukhathaza kakhulu ukuzithwala kwabantwana abancane asethele udubo solubhekane lesizwe njalo labantwana. Ake sizweni umhlonishwa uMrombezi ekhuluma kumsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio.
Indeed, it is a time for us to pause. 21,000 girls under the age of 18 have fallen pregnant in the province since 2023. This is too high. This is very high. And behind each number, we must remind ourselves that behind each number is a young girl whose childhood has been cut short. These are not just numbers. These are not just statistics. These are dreams that have been derailed, futures interrupted. Teenage pregnancies are not just about morality or personal choices. They are deeply tied to poverty, broken systems, and lack of protection. Many of these young girls come from homes where poverty is crushing. Some are driven into relationships with older men for basic needs like food, school fees, or sanitary wear. Some are victims of abuse, exploitation, or cultural pressures that rob them of the chance to grow up safely. When a young girl falls pregnant, it often means she drops out of school, and that is where the cycle of poverty deepens. Without education, her chances of getting decent employment or breaking from the hardships are slim. We must also remember that teenage pregnancies come with health risks very often. These girls are not physically ready for motherhood. Maternal mortality, complications during childbirth, and lifelong health issues are far too common among girls who should be in classrooms, not delivery rooms. This is a crisis that reflects a fragmented support system from families that fail to guide and protect, to institutions that don't enforce laws or to provide comprehensive sexual education to our girls. But we cannot afford to look away. It is time to act. It is time for parents, teachers, religious leaders, traditional leaders to work together. We need to protect our girls. We need to end child marriage. We need to end teenage pregnancies. We need to keep our girls in school. We need safe places for girls and community initiatives that tackle poverty head on.
Isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo Stephen Sarkozy Chuma usesole ungqongqoshe okhangela ngezokuqhutshwa kwezombane kubandla leZANU-PF uJuly Moyo ngokwehluleka ubhekisisana lodaba logetsi olubhekane lelizwe. uChuma uye watshela umsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio ukuba umoyo lo ofakwe ngu-Emmerson Mnangagwa kulolu gatsha enyangeni ezintathu ezedlulileyo usehlulekile ukulungisisa udaba lokuswelakala kwegetsi elizweni. Uye wathi izindlu eziningi sezihlala amahola ali-16 zingelagetsi. Ake simzweni ekhuluma.
Yes, the electricity situation of the country has gone from bad to worse under Emmerson Mnangagwa's aide, July Moyo. We know that July Moyo has been whooping from one ministry to another since the days of Robert Mugabe to Emmerson Mnangagwa with consistency when it comes to failure. So we can't expect anything meaningful and anything new from a ministry that is led by July Moyo. Actually, load shedding has increased now to 16 hours a day. our people are in darkness. This is despite ZANU-PF's electoral promise in 2018 to make sure that they light up the whole nation. But actually, they've plunged the whole nation into darkness, all thanks to the clueless regime of Emmerson Mnangagwa, with the likes of July Moyo as ministers of energy. So we urge the people of Zimbabwe not to look inside ZANU-PF for solutions, because we know that in ZANU-PF what they do is to loot the country's resources while the people are suffering. It is very sad to imagine that up to this day in 2025, we still depend on colonial projects like Kariba Dam and Wangetemo Power Station for electricity. What has ZANU-PF done over the last 45 years? Nothing. So clearly, ZANU-PF does not represent the future, but it represents the past. So the citizens of Zimbabwe must now look forward to a new government as led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa to make sure that we end this issue of perennial power shortages.
Izakhamizi zaseChilonga esabelweni seChirezi South sezithe ibandla leZANU-PF alithembakalanga ngokunikeza abantu amaphepha abanikeza imvumo yokuba umhlabathi ngowabo njengezakhamizi. Omunye othungamela izakhamizi eChilonga, uLivingston Chikutu, uyawatshela umsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio ukuba kuyamangaza ukuba uhulumende ofanayo ufuna ukuxosha abantu endaweni yabo abayishiyelwa ngokhokho babo. Okwamanje usejikile usekhuluma ngokuba nikeza abantu ilungelo lokuhlala emhlabathini ngaphansi komthetho omutsha abawubize ngeland tenure. Ake sizweni.
Tine urombo neruzhinji rwevanhu vari muno muZimbabwe, especially pavanhu vakapinda mumapurazi muna 2000 pavakapinda vachitorora mapurazi evarongo. Izvezvi tiri kunzwa kuti hurumende yeZANU-PF inotungamirwa naMnangagwa inoda kupa a new land tenure system, title deeds kuvanhu vakagariswa mumapurazi kuti vave title deeds. Zvese izvi tiri kuona chiri chirongwa chokuti neimwe nzira inyaya yekuda kutobira vanhu, kuratidza kuti hurumende yedu haina urongwa huri pachena pamusoro pemapurazi iwawo. Tiri kuona kuti inyaya yekuti vari kuda kushandisa vanatagirei nevamwe kuti vabire vanhu zviite sokuti pane chinhu chiripo pachena. Ukanyatsotarisa, it is a continuous campaign inongoshandiswa, because kana dai kwakanga kuri kuti vanhu vanofanirwa kuti vawane matitle deeds, vaifanira kunge vakatopiwa kare matitle deeds iwawo. Unonyatsoona kuti inyaya yekuti vanhu vanenge vachibatirwa kuti rambai muri panhu pamwe chete, rambai muchifunga nhingi sokuti ndiye munhu wakanaka. Chinhu chinoda kuti chingoitwa kwame chobva chapera. Izvo tikatarisa kana kuri kuno kwedu kunana Chirezi South kwaChilonga uko ndokuya kwenyaya yeluseni. Muri kuda kuti mupe vanhu mutaura pamusoro pematitle deeds kuvanhu vakapinda mumapurazi muna 2000 uku muri kuda kutorera isusu mupe murungu. Unonyatsoona kuti vanhu ava havana rudo nevanhu pamusoro pevhu. Munhu ngaapiwe ivhu rake kamwe zvobva zvapera. Haikona kuti unoramba uchinzi ivhu racho hauna simba naro. Tinonzwa nepamwe vanoti masabhu kumadzishe haana right yenzvimbo yokuti vaite zvavanoda, zvinonzi ivhu nderapurezidendi. Saka unoshamisika kuti zvinotaurwa izvi zviri kubva kupi zvichiendepi, zvinotisvitsa kupi, nokuti chinhu chinonzi hachiiti nhasi mangwana chinonzi chinoita, kusvira mangwana awo chonzi hachiiti chichingoita vice versa, up and down. Ngatita hurumende ngaitaure chinhu kamwe yobva chapera. Vanhu ngavapiwe nyika yavo zvibve zvapera. Haikona kuti nyika vanombopota vachitorerwa yoiswa muhomwe nanhingi yonzi ndakudzorerai. Hurumende ipapo ngaiite zvinhu zvinoratidza kuti yakarongeka. Ngairongeke zvinosvika pakuti nemunhu wese aone kuti for sure tiri varidzi vehurumende, kwete kuti hurumende inobva yaita yemunhu wani. Ndinova dambudziko iroro rari kusangana nevanhu. So isusu kuno kwaChilonga kunoku vanhu vanogara vakabatira ura mumaoko kuti saka hurumende mangwana ichamuka yakafunga zvipi. Matiri kuda matitle deeds acho kana kuri kuti chokwadi kuti matitle deeds acho haana chitsotsi mukati, but tiri kutoona kuti chitsotsi apa imetsi injuga dzinenge dzichitambwa.
kudai campaign, you never know. Nyaya yekuti tinogara tiri politics, zvinhu izvozvo hazvina kwazvinotisvitsa. So hurumende ngaite chinhu chakarongeka muvanhu, ngaisaisa umbavha kuti vana Tagwirei nana Chivhayo vanowana mukana wekuita zvavanoda, zvekutenga munhu nemari yavanoda. Mari makamboona kuti mari inobva ine access kumunhu wani, vamwe vanhu havana access. Hurumende ngairongeke kuvanhu.
Omunye wamatitshala alwela amalungelo abo Prudence Mazwita Sauriri uyawabuyela enkantolo namhlanje njalo ukuyalalela icala lakhe. USauriri osemncitshwe isibambiso evikini edlulileyo wetheswa amacala ekuphatheka embhikishweni lapho bebefuna uhulumende alungisise inxushunxushu ekugatsha lwezemfundo. Uye wakhulumisana lomsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio umsekeli kanobhala jikelele wenhlanganiso ye-Athus uMnyaradzi Masiyiwa usole kakhulu ukuqhubeka kokuvalelwa kukaSauriri ethi kwephula amalungelo akhe. Ake simzweni ekhuluma.
Okay, Prudence Mazwita Sauriri appeared in court today in Mutare, where she was remanded in custody to the 15th of August. Yeah, we continue to condemn such uncivilized actions by the courts. We continue to condemn such inhuman treatment of people who are education right activists, people who just want to see a positive change in education. Prudence just want or dreams to see the government implementing what it would have promised to the people of Zimbabwe. The government of Zimbabwe promised free education. It promised a state-funded education. It promised that each and every person will have access to education, uncompromised access to education. And this is only what is being demanded by Prudence Sauriri and others. And we demand that the state should just drop charges against Prudence Sauriri and others. The state should just stop singling out a mother in the case of Prudence Sauriri and persecuting her, maybe in an attempt to teach a lesson or to take her as an example that people must not voice out, people must not demand what is rightfully theirs. So we condemn such barbarism. We encourage citizens to show solidarity in whatever forms. We encourage citizens to attend court. We encourage citizens to write about Prudence Sauriri and demand her release, her unconditional release.
Okolunye udaba olutabukisayo isabelo saseHartfield silahlekelwe ngugogo Annette Jangano ngomgqibelo. Ugogo ozelwe ngomnyaka ka-1947 wasebenza kakhulu emzabalazweni wokuthola inkululeko. Uye waqala kubandla eliphikisayo kwezepolitiki ngomnyaka ka-1999 lapho wayengunobhala wezokuqoqa esabelweni saseHartfield. Ugogo ubengumama othandekayo njalo obelwela utshintsho. Uye wabekwa izolo emini emathuneni ase-St Mary's eHarare. Sithi umphefumulo wakhe mawulale ngoxolo. Ake sizweni kwezinye izakhamizi zaseHartfield zikhuluma mayelana ngempilo kagogo uJangano.
Ini ndinoitwa Eve Nyamadzau. Ndinocherechedza kurudziro dzandaiwana kubva kuna mama. Kurera ndakatanga kuwana position yangu yekuprovince ndiri kumayouth. Mama vakagara pasi vakataura neni vakati, mwanangu, ndafara nezvawaita kuti semuyouth weHartfield watisimudzira, ndanzwa kuti wawane position kuprovince semayouth. Saka ndokurudzira kuti ushande nevamwe vako ikoko zvakanaka, wechiuya kuno kumusha wechitipowo zvemunenge mapakurirana ikoko, musha wedu wechikurawo. Mama ndakashanda nawo ini kubva gore randabva kuManicaland early 2000. Ndakasvika mama vachimhanya zvekuti mumusha takabatana neEpworth, takabatana neWaterfalls kudzika kuHarare South kwesoko. Mama akanga ari munhu anga ari very energetic, and kwatiri tingangoti mama she was a pillar. to this movement. Tairelaya pana mama pane zvakawanda zvataida kuita semayuthi, tikange tashoterwa taienda kuna mama homwe yedu yashota pakati, mama vaitibatsira, vaizadziridza pashota homwe yedu kuti musangano wedu uenderere mberi. Vachitotaura kuti vhiki rakati ndakanotaura nababa Morgan Tsvangirai nana mama Mayimba, mapillars edu ana mai vedu vemusangano nevamwe vatakamhanya navo mumusangano muno. Saka kumhuri yeshanduko, vana veZimbabwe kumusha weHatfield tarasikirwa zvisingaiti, tarwadziwa nekuenda kwamama. Mama wakakondesta mapositions akawanda muno mumusha, akati toda kumbomirawo saMP. Matemu apfuura maviri 2013 na 2018 wakazokwanisa kukondesta pausenate. Saka mama taingovati Senator Janga ndo mashedzera ataita mama. Musha wese taingoti senator. Mama wakanga waine ushingi, taita maprograms pamba pawo, zvinhu zvechipisa, zvinhu zvechirema, asi mama vakanga vaine ushingi hwekuti aiwa, mukambobva kwababa patinoitira mameetings munogona kuuya kuno, kana uko kwanzi kwavharirwa nevavengi munogona kuuya moitira maprograms kumba kwangu. Taiungana nemamwe maorganizations aiti tikasangana neHatfield, toda kuona Hatfield, taiti tine maorganizations yawo, mama vaisununguka kuti pamusha wawo tichiita mameetings edu pamba pawo takasununguka. Mama ranga riri gamba zvokuti tarwadziswa semusha weHatfield, tiri kuti ndo vamwe vemapillars edu ari kudonha, tarwadziwa zvisingaite nekuenda kwamama. Kuna mama tinongoti go well mama, zororai murugare, tichirimo muhondo yeshanduko, tinosvika chete. Ndatenda.
Ndinonzi BM Mayimba, Benjamin Mayimba. Ndinoda kutaura zvishoma pamusoro penhoroondo yamai Jangano. Mai Jangano muno muHatfield takatanga musangano pamwe chete, munhu wataindisa mberi kumadzimai. Takatanga tichitanga muHatfield tikaenda kuEpworth kunosvika kuMagada, zvichitambudza nguva idzodzo, asi munhu wakanga ari mberi nokuda musangano. Nesuwo takati nevimbo navo kuti kumadzimai mukadzi wataifamba naye. Takafamba namai Jangano, vakatora maposition akawanda nenguva iyoyo kusvika musangano waumbika. Hatfield ikazikamwa kuti iHatfield yeMDC. Saka mai Jangano tine urombo zvokuti panguva ino vatisiya, tinoti Mwari wamasimba ose ngaave navo. Tinoziva kuti somunhu wakanga ane rudo navanhu vose, shamwari nehama, navavo vanga asingazivi, Mwari achavagamuchira kuruoko rworudyi. Tinoti mai Jangano, fambai norugare, tine urombo. Saka ndizvozvo zvandati nditaura hangu, maita henyu.
Ini ndinoitwa Emma Banda. Ndiri kuchema, ndarwadziwa zvikuru nekurasirwa namai vedu, mai vanga vachimira nemusha weHatfield, mai vaiwanikwa pese pese, zvese zvaiitika vanenge varipo. Kunyangwe ukatambura ukanetseka, vanga vaine musha wavo wakakura chaizvo, vaiti vana vangu uyai mugare pano. Hapana, vakawanda vakaloja pamba pavo, tichigara pamba pavo, tichigara navo murudo. Samai vedu vaitichengeta mumusha. Amai vakaedza nepose pavanokwanisa, kunyangwe mumapositions angave eukansela, euPR, wakazoya musi unapa ukamboda last election vanga vachida kuita senator. Zvese izvozvo vaishingirira kuti dai ndagonawo kunge ndapindawo paposition, ndakwanisawo kuti nyika yangu igonenge yakasunungukawo. Tiri kuchema, tiri kurwadziwa zvakanyanya namai vedu. Hatizive kuti tichaita sei sevana, vatisiyira zvavo shoko guru rekungoti vana rambai makashingai, zvichanaka chete, nerimwe zuva tichaona Kenani.
Ini ndinoitwa Tamsanqa Velasquez Jangano. Ndiri mwana wamai Jangano number 7 out of the 8. Just here trying to give a testimony on what kind of a person Mai Jangano was. She was a very hardworking mother, very caring, very loving, always was for the positive, always sharing positive ideas. Everything she was all about the positive. And angari munhu aida kuuplift community, vakatombotsvaya kutomboitawo children's home namai Mpanganyama at some point. And she was always trying to be a better person and try to make the people around her better. She's going to be heavily missed, and we will always keep her in our hearts forever. Thank you very much.
owayengungqongqoshe kubandla leZANU-PF kanti njalo ehlanganisela leqembu le-G40 uWalter Mzembe uza kuzisola ngesinqumo sakhe sokuphenduka elizweni ngemva kokuba umantshi waseHarare uDonald Ndirowey ekusolile ukuza kwakhe ngendlela ayenze ngayo kanti njalo uye wamvalela futhi. Inkantolo yalahla isicelo sikaMzembe sokuba kwesule ukuboshwa kwakhe. Uye wabuyiselwa njalo ejele uza kuvela mhla zili-18 ukuze abhekisisane lokutshutshiswa kwecala lakhe. Wetheswa amacala okutshontsha impahla kanye lokukhwabanisa esehofisini. Umongameli waseCameroon oleminyaka engama-92 uPaul Biya usememezele ukuba uza kukhankasa njalo kukhetho oluzayo. uBiya osebuse kulizwe laseCameroon iminyaka engama-42 ungomunye wabathungameli kuzwelakazi le-Afrika asebebuse isikhathi eside. Ekubuseni kwakhe uBiya ubeqeda isikhathi esiningi esezibhedlela zaseFrance. Umongameli webandla leZANU-PF Emmerson Mnangagwa ufana kanye loBiya ohlose ukuhlala esihlalweni kuze kudlule umnyaka ka-2028 iloba eselomkhuhlane wokukhohlwa aselawo. Ke sikhangele kwezemidlalo, iqembu labobaba lekhilikithi lidliwe nge-5 wickets lilizwe lase-South Africa emidlalweni ye-T20 Tri-Nations eqhubekayo kweleHarare. Kusenjalo abalandeli balomdlalo sebememezele ukuba kakujintshwe indlela okukhethwa ngayo abadlali ngoba abadlali abaningi abadlala ngesicoco esiphezulu bahlalisiwe njalo kabakhethwanga ukuba badlale. Umdlali weqembu le-FC Platinum u-Oscar Pepe kubikwa engene engozini yemota izolo kanti njalo usesibhedlela sakoBulawayo. uPepe ulimala nje kungakadluli amaviki 2 kubhubhe omunye wabadlali beqembu lePlatinum uBrian Banda laye wafela engozini yemota. Ibandla leZANU-PF lohulumende wabo behlulekile ukulungisa imigwaqo kanti njalo abantu abaningi baphelela emgwaqweni. Ukuziphetha lezi ndaba kumsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio naze bezihamba phambili. Umhlonitshwa uMafa Sibanda usola kakhulu ukuqhutshwa kwenqubo zeGugu Round lezi eziqhutshwa ngokusibekelelwa. Umhlonitshwa uKhuka usememezele ukuba kube lendlela ezintsha zokulungisa lokufaka intambo zikagetsi. uMavayire usungule njalo omunye umkhankaso wokunikela ngesicathulo. Siziphetha lapha lezi ndaba.